Factoring difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is of this form, a square minus a square. To factor, find the square root of each term, then write in the form sum in difference of two terms. Factor m squared minus d squared. The square root of m squared is m, the square root of d squared is d. The factors are m plus d and m minus d. Factor m squared minus 9. This binomial is a difference of two squares. This can be written as m squared minus 3 squared. The factors are m plus 3 and m minus 3. Factor 9m squared minus 16d squared. The square root of 9m squared is 3m, and the square root of 16d squared is 4d. This can be written as the square of the quantity 3m minus the square of the quantity 4d. Write in the form sum in difference of two terms. The factors of 9m squared minus 16d squared is 3m plus 4d and 3m minus 4d. Factor 25b to the power of 4m to the power of 6 minus 49 s to the power of 8d squared. The square root of 25b to the power of 4m to the power of 6 is 5b squared m cubed. That square root of 49 s to the power of 8d squared is 7 s to the power of 4d. This binomial is a difference of two squares. To factor, write in the form sum in difference of two terms. The factors are 5b squared m cubed plus 7 s to the power of 4d and 5b squared m cubed minus 7 s to the power of 4d. Try this. Factor d squared u squared minus 900. The factors are d, u plus 30 and d, u minus 30. Congratulations! d, u minus 30 and d, u plus 30 is also correct. Congratulations! Another try. Factor b to the power of 4m squared minus 1. The factors are b squared m plus 1 and b squared m minus 1. Congratulations! Prepared by Emmanuel A. Iscal. Thanks for watching.